I'm Joel Meskin, Vice President of Community Association Insurance and Risk Management. One of the frequent questions that we're asked on a daily basis is, what are the most common directors and officers liability claims? You can obtain a list of those from our website. However, the key claims that we see are challenges to improper following of bylaws, challenges to election procedures. We've got the hanging chad issue because people just have very difficult times determining formulas for counting ballots. We also have a very significant issue with either selective or discriminatory application of association rules and regulations. A lot of times associations try to rule and govern the community through common sense, and sometimes common sense doesn't necessarily comply with the association's governing documents or with statutory requirements. Other claims that we see are challenges to architectural review guideline applications. People want to make a change to their home, they submit it, the board basically says, you know, it doesn't comply with our regulations, with our architectural review guidelines. That's one of the most common and one of the largest claims that we see on a regular basis. Another challenge that we see to board decisions are dealing with decisions that result in bodily injury or property damage claims. Those are claims that are never covered under a D&O policy, but they're still, because they're consequential damages of the board's actions, are often submitted. Finally, another key issue that we see quite often are discrimination claims, challenges to denials of emotional support animals, as well as defensive breach of contract claims. So those are some of the most common claims that we see in the D&O context.